finally checked in. We're at Travelers, what's this? Travelers Resort in Negril. Like I said, it's after 8 now. We've been on the road. You've heard every time I come on here, I say we've been on the road all day. But we've literally been on the road all day. Outlaw's been driving from 7:30 this morning till about 8 o'clock this evening, almost non-stop.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video, and it's Vlogmas day 3. Vlogmas day 3. So guys, as you would have seen in our previous 2 Vlogmases, we've been staying at the Riu Montego Bay. It's 7:27 in the morning. We are checking out now. We just checked out, we're in the car, get ready to go. Say good morning to the people.
Give thanks for life.
Yeah,
and prayers.
We're checking out really early today because we've got a booking. We had a last minute booking to do. Otherwise we would have stayed in that hotel till about 12 o'clock, had our lunch and everything before we left.
Why not?
Yeah, but we're on a long run today. So we're in Montego Bay. We've got a booking. We've got to drive all the way to Portland, and then from Portland we've got to drive all the way to Negril, and then from Negril we've got to come all the way back into like Senan side. We don't know how it's going to work. If it's too late to come back, we're just going to stay in Negril overnight. If that's the way it works out, we're not sure. We're going to see what happens with the time. But
part of the job.
Part of the job, yeah. Yeah. So we may have to stay in the grill. We don't know yet. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, we checked out. Riu was good to us. We had a good couple days. Yeah, nice break.
Beautiful.
It was good. So Montego Bay, it's Portland bound now. Remember, Portland bound now, guys. So you know it's Vlogmas. Vlogmas day 3, like I said. So
this is like from Mobay to Portland.
Mobay to Portland. Portland to Negril. Negril, if we can make it back to, you know, Senan side. But let's see.
No, we can go.
Yeah, we'll take you with us as always. Guys, we are in Portland. We're in Port Antonio actually, so San to be exact. So we're almost at our pickup destination, heading to Boston. So the time is now 20 past 11. We left Montego Bay at 7:30, 7:30 this morning. That's 4 hours already it's taken. Yeah, and we have to do this again. So we're going to pick up, literally turn around and do all over again. Come back the other way, but go even further past Mobay into Negril. So we're in Sansan now. So this is where Blue Lagoon is, Winifred Beach.
Yeah.
What's the falls? G-Jam Hotel, all the little guest houses and hotels and stuff are along here. Yeah. So like I said, this is a long journey today. We're on the road. Straight running. So once we get to Negril, we're going to see how we feel, and depends on the time. Obviously we still got curfew, 8 o'clock. So if we don't get back down in time, if we're not going to make it back home this time, we're just going to stay in Negril. It depends if we're tired and how we feel. Outlaw's doing a lot of driving. So if he says, you know what, stay in Negril, stay in Negril. Frenchman's Cove, that's a place. I was thinking we've just passed Frenchman's Cove. Yeah, that's the place I was thinking. So yeah, but we're in 40 now. Yeah.
Yeah, we're doing the work, people. That's everything go.
On the job, yeah. This is Blue Lagoon. You can just about see a bit of it. Lagoon. Something similar to this. That's Monkey Island. Something like this. Yeah, I think that's it.
Around the song.
Okay.
Ah, right now.
Yeah.
Right now, Monkey Island.
Yeah, Monkey Island.
We're going to come back on the side of the
Yeah. We're just approaching the Blue Lagoon. I've got a lot of roadworks going around here, fixing the road. These are all the villas and that around Blue Lagoon.
Yeah, the good Portland, I'm going to take them and fix it up.
Yeah, the road needs fixing because the road's been bad from a long time. Port Antonio to be specific. So that's where you go for Blue Lagoon. You see the sign says welcome to Blue Lagoon. See there. So people, as you would have seen in the clip before, we arrived at Portland. We got to Portland, we picked up our customer. We're now in Ochi, so we've just done a quick stop off for our customer in Ochi. Guys, I think you've been driving for what, 7 hours straight, almost?
From 7:30 this morning.
Yeah, and what time is it now? 3? Yeah. So what's that? 7 hours? 7 something? Something like that.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 8 hours.
8 hours, almost straight. All we did was a quick stop to pick up our customer. A quick stop in Ochi. So we're in Ochi. So we still got to get to Negril.
Another 4 hours.
Oh my gosh. People can see the bags under my eyes. I feel so tired. I'm not even driving, but been up early from like 5:30 this morning.
4 hours from Ochi to Negril. 4.
We've still got 4 hours left. And we've done how many? 8 hours already we've done on the road, and we've got another 4. So we've decided we're not coming back home tonight. We're just gonna, it's a good thing we've got our suitcase in the back with clothes and everything. And you know, we always pack, as women anyway, we always pack extra. So we're just gonna stay in the grill tonight. We're gonna find somewhere to stay. Once we drop off our customer, we're gonna stay in the grill. So guys, this is it really. Very nice.
Get it? Catching it?
Is that an all-inclusive?
No, it's
Just the
not, but
self-catering.
it's got that restaurant that you could go eat at. Oh,
Okay,
best
how
in
much
the
that
West.
is?
They have some of the best.
So guys, the journey continues. It's now 8 o'clock in the evening. We've just dropped off our customer. We are just pulling into Travelers Beach. See if we can get a room for the night. Because yeah. So 8 o'clock, we've been traveling since 7:30 this morning.
Yeah.
It's now 8 o'clock. So we've pulled into Travelers to see if we can get a room for the night. Yeah. So people, we finally checked in. We're at Travelers. What's this? Travelers Resort in Negril. Like I said, it's after 8 now. We've been on the road. You've heard every time I come on here, I say we've been on the road all day. But we've literally been on the road all day. Outlaw's been driving from 7:30 this morning till about 8 o'clock this evening, almost non-stop. Couple of stops in between, but we've been on the road all day. I'm so tired. I just want to go and bathe and chill, go sleep. The resort so far looks nice. I mean, it's dark, I can't see much, but what I've seen, it looks good. So tomorrow morning when I wake up, I'll go and have a look around before we check out. You know, and the beach is right there. There's a pool, and I think there's some entertainment going on, but we're too tired for all of that. But yes, guys, I know this wasn't much of a, you know, up there kind of vlog, but look, this is Vlogmas, right? So we vlog every day. Whatever we're doing that day, we vlog. Let me show you what Outlaw's doing, just a moment. Wait, what are you doing? What's your on the floor? What are you doing?
The fridge not turn up.
Oh, turn up the fridge. So we just got some snacks and stuff, so he's there busy with the fridge. How you feeling? Take your mask off.
You need a tall drink, you know, and a chill pill.
Yeah. Come at the light there.
We'll have fresh and then we go in bed.
Yeah. There's a bar in there, we're going to look at the bar. You want to look at the bar?
Bar there?
Yeah.
Tell me to check out that, you know.
Yeah.
I tell a lot of people on the road for a man that you know what thing go. Like we have a little thing, so we have to take a little chill pill.
Yeah.
And a little hustling coming, so we have to move to from this man 7:30.
It wasn't a booking that we had planned, was it? Like a booking that came in last minute while we was actually at the Riu on our little staycation. But we took the booking, and that's work, isn't it? Work is work.
7:30 we left air show this man in Montego Bay and
Yeah.
Port Antonio.
Yeah.
Just come back as I know.
To Negril, yeah.
Yeah, we're supposed to go back at my house, but you know the thing
I was
go.
meant to go back.
Better safe than better, what is it?
Safe than sorry.
Safe than sorry.
Yeah, and plus curfew would have caught us out anyway.
And all these things, so better we take a chill pill. We can't go back.
Yeah.
Lay down and rest and be comfortable. And we have to kill up yourself on the road tonight.
It's
and
true, to
we
try
could
to
have
get
stayed.
home. True.
So, it makes no sense.
Yeah, we
So
just got a
do
little
that.
cheap and cheerful room really, and
And
we
have
thought it was
prayers,
quite
man.
nice, so
Yeah, so we can chill, man.
Yeah.
Like kill up yourself on the road.
Rest and back on the road again tomorrow.
No, so tomorrow we just eat yourself, get up a man and get some nice breakfast, get a cup of tea and burp. Everything work.
Yeah. But this is where we're going to end this vlog because I'm tired, I'm hot, I'm sweating. But guys, Vlogmas day 3. Yeah, we're back on it tomorrow, vlogging again tomorrow. Thank you, people. Yes. Alright, please like, subscribe, watch the ads and all that good stuff.
But man, we're up on the road, people.
I'm so tired.
Cook food. What's up there?
Yeah.
My boo.
Later.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.